This isn't just a story about water falling from a cliff, it's a journey through resilience, beauty, and the power of letting go. Where the earth meets the sky, and rivers leap into the unknown, there lies the soul of the forest, the waterfall. A symbol of power, peace, and the unstoppable flow of life. This is more than just nature's beauty, it's a story carved in every drop. Welcome to the journey of the waterfall. High in the silent mountains, a small stream was born. It was delicate, almost invisible, just a trickle of melting snow. The stream had no idea where it was going, only that it had to move forward. As it flowed downhill, it met rocks, trees, and uneven ground. At every turn, the stream could have stopped, but it didn't. It bent around obstacles, seeped through cracks, and carved new paths through the earth. Slowly, that quiet stream became a river, gathering strength with every drop that joined it. Then, one day, the river reached a cliff. It paused. The drop below was terrifying, hundreds of feet of empty air. The river could not see what was waiting at the bottom, but it knew it could not turn back. So, it let go. With a roar, the river threw itself over the edge, transforming into a breathtaking waterfall. It crashed down with thunderous force, wild, free, and beautiful. What once seemed like an end was just another beginning. Like the waterfall, we all start small. Life throws obstacles in our path, fear, failure, doubt, but we grow through them. And when we finally face our cliffs, we must not fear the fall. Because that leap of faith might just reveal the most powerful, beautiful version of who we are. A waterfall is more than just water falling from a height. It is strength. It is motion. It is life in its rawest, purest form. No matter how high the cliff, it doesn't hesitate. It doesn't hold back. It flows, powerfully, fearlessly, endlessly. It teaches us that letting go isn't falling. It's flying in your own way. A waterfall is a stunning display of nature's beauty and raw power. As water tumbles over cliffs and rocks, it creates a captivating sight, blending motion, sound, and light into one mesmerizing experience. The shimmering flow catches sunlight. Every drop begins as a small stream, uncertain, soft, ignored. But with persistence, that stream carves through rock, shapes landscapes, and becomes something unforgettable. So be like the waterfall. Flow with purpose. Fall with faith. And rise with strength. Rocks may try to stop it. Time may try to wear it down. But it keeps moving, keeps carving, keeps creating beauty where there was once only stone. It teaches us that strength isn't always loud. Sometimes, it's in the steady flow. The quiet determination. The courage to let go and trust the journey. Because your journey, just like the waterfall, is a beautiful force the world needs to see. Let yourself flow. You never know, your waterfall might just inspire the world.